Sit down. By high request, we're doing the 24-hour affiliate marketing challenge. This is going to include me doing affiliate marketing for, you guessed it, 24 hours, using only but a cell phone and a computer. My goal is to make money. A lot of money, but I want to set a goal to make this video actually entertaining, and if I don't get this goal, I will do something very bad. If I don't make $100 by the end of this 24-hour challenge, I will get a buzz cut. You guys don't know, but look back to my really old videos. Oh, dude, the haircut sucks. $100 is all I gotta make. That's way easier said than done. So let's go over how I'm gonna do this. Step 1, I'm gonna be using my phone and my computer to promote affiliate marketing videos. Now, how I'm gonna do this, if you're a newbie to the channel, let me explain. I use social media accounts like Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok to promote my affiliate marketing link. Now, what do I promote? But that's based on your niche. I'm in the finance niche, and the thing that I'm going to be promoting is a ebook on how to trade. Now, let me break down the stats. I actually have the ebook in hand. Yeah, I actually made it. But anyway, the point is that it teaches you how to trade, right? It has all this guide stuff and teaches you how to trade and what graphs and whatnot. So we're going to be using that to promote our products. I'm going to be using a product of mine called the Pattern Trading Guide. Yeah, I made this, but we're using it as an ebook, and I do promote this before this video, so I actually know what I'm doing. I'm not going into this empty-handed. If you thought I was, I'm sorry. You think I really want to get a buzz cut, and if I don't make $100 by the end of 24 hours, I'm gonna be very mad at myself. We're gonna be using this ebook to get sales, promoting, using my Instagram, TikTok, and I don't do YouTube Shorts, but you can as well. My Instagram page we're gonna be using has 7,500 followers on the screen right now, and my TikTok has about 450 followers that we're going to be using. Not only will we be trying to grow our accounts, which will help us in the future, but we need to hit $100. Let me give you the stats on the book. The book goes for $15, and for affiliates, they get 40% commission, but this is YouTube, and I'm getting 100% commission, okay? So every single sale I do is going to count as 100% commission, which is $15, so I'm not selling something big like $100. So in retrospect, we need to get how many sales to get this $100 mark? We need to get 7 sales to hit $100. If we get that, we can be printing money. Is the product good? Yeah, it's amazing, so don't ask. How are we going to be promoting this? Well, let me put a video on the screen. For example, we're going to be using our camera and basically just record this as I normally would, as you can't even see. Now, I'm going to be using a new strategy, and that's basically to record this book right here and use this to actually tell people, look, it's actually really good value and it works perfectly and makes you a lot of money, which will make them actually buy the book. And if they like it, they'll leave a good review, and if they don't, they won't. And it's not like the product's new or anything. I started this a week ago and already has a ton of good reviews. So hopefully that will make them buy the product even more, because it almost has all 5-star reviews and people actually testify that it works. It makes them a lot of money. So hopefully that gets in their mind too. Yeah, this product actually works. Let me buy it and let's make a lot of money. We got that plan. Let's start making the videos. The video has been completed as you saw. So now we're going to be posting this and we're going to be checking on 24 hours. How many posts are we going to do? We're going to do 3 posts, 3 on TikTok and 3 on Instagram. I really hope we get $100. Now, just to prove this is 24 hours, you can actually go onto my Instagram called I will not be giving the name of my Instagram. If you can find it, great for you. If you can't, that sucks. But what I will be showing is actually showing proof. So on my Instagram, you can see scrolling up and down, you can see what time frame the videos are. So let's post our first one right now. So as you can tell on the screen, which I'm screen recording right now, basically you can see that I actually already posted a video that I will be posting, and it's this one. 2023 is the year to trade. And as you can see, it got about 1,300 views and just about 75 likes and 3 comments. And let's just look at the comments. But you can already see that one person asked for the book, and I actually got a sale, a couple of them off this video alone. So hopefully we can actually use this video to get a couple more sales. Another video we'll be posting is this one. Hopefully this one does good. It got only 700 views, so it sucked, but I'm basically going to be reusing these 2 and posting one kind of like this one as well. So let's post our first one. Okay, so we have the post right here. We're going to press add, and then what we're going to do is press next. We're going to choose probably some music. Oh, obviously you're not going to be able to see what music we use because I don't want to get copyrighted on the video. And then we're going to put in our caption. Let's just say the pattern trading book is in profile. I don't want to put link in bio because I have gotten suspended off of doing that. And let's just put money sign and that. I'm going to be using my own personal hashtag. So if you watch the video and you want to pause the video and copy all of them and you can see them. Good for you. Then we're gonna make our own thing. Let's just do something like this, and then we should be good. And let's get ready to post in 3, 2, 1. Boom, boom, boom. And we can see it's about to post. 3, 2, 1, and there we go. It is posted, and you can see that the same video, and hopefully we actually get some good engagement off of it and make some sales. Currently February 6th, 7:15 p.m., but we started at 7 p.m. So tomorrow at 7 p.m. the challenge will be done. I will see you guys then. Alright, so I know this is an absolutely horrible mic, but it's currently 10:08 p.m. I'm filming on my camera like a little vlogger and have this stupid little mic hanging out. So currently what we've done so far is we've actually gotten a sale, and I'll show you right now. As you can tell, we've gotten a sale. That's yeah, one sale. So you're probably confused on the 0.04 in revenue when we got one sale. As you can tell, the fee, our commission we're getting is 1% because, well, this is a new account and I don't want to put in all my like payment info because you have to put in your SSN and stuff like that. So yeah, I just put it at 1%, so then I would get most of the revenue. So all this I'm actually not even gonna get. So yeah, that's why I did 1%. But we can see all the money on my main account tomorrow when we finish up. I know my hair is absolutely whack, so please do not say anything about it, but it's currently 6:44 a.m. before I go to school, and I checked on the dashboard, and let me see what I show you. So as you can see, we got 3 sales and 42 cents revenue, obviously, because there's a 1% fee. Let me refresh because I know a lot of you hate on my dashboard, but 6:44 a.m. and yeah, it kind of sucks. So yeah, I've made 3 sales. It's 6:45 and we're doing pretty good. Probably at 100 by today, honestly. We could do this. I am posting a lot, so I just posted my second one and the money's here. 3 sales. I had to do 2 days. This is my dashboard for the product, so knock off 2 sales on there, and yeah. So yeah, we're doing pretty good, and hopefully we can get some more sales. Alright, so it's currently 3:59 p.m. and I'm gonna show you the results because we only have 3 more hours until this challenge is over. It's a little worrying, but we've actually done very good today and gotten great views on our Instagram, which you'll see. I'll mark down all the views and how many clicks we've gone and whatnot on this product. So for today, so far we have 3 hours left. We have gotten 6 sales. So you can see here, 6 sales on the account. I'll refresh for you. 6 sales, 84 cents. Remember, we're just using the fee, and I'll show you on my regular account. So far I got 5 sales so far, 122 views, and $75. We'll refresh that. As you can see, I refreshed it many times. 5 sales, 122 views, $75. So that's great, right? But we need $25 more because we need to hit $100. So we got to keep on pushing. I think we can get there. Honestly, we probably can hit the $100 mark by 3 hours. I'm gonna post again today, so we probably can hit it. We've only hit it thanks to a video blowing up, and we'll go over that later on in the video. But so far we're doing really good, and yeah, we just keep on striving. So I'll talk to you when it's time. Okay, the results are in, and we figured out how much we made by the end of a 24-hour span. So I'm on my computer right now. We're going to be going over the analytics and going over how many clicks we got, and also going over how our Instagram did that actually promoted our product. So as you can tell, this is the Instagram. I'll refresh it for you that are thinking I did something to it. Here we go, refreshing. Obviously you're not going to be able to see the name, but the reels we can see got 3,000 views, 480 views. I just posted that like maybe a couple hours ago. And then one of our other things got 1,500 views, 1,000 views on this. This one actually blew up and got 6,000 views. And then these were already kind of blowing up already. One that did surprise me was this one with 15,000 views, because that was only at maybe like 11k views when I started this video. So I got 4k more views. And yeah, so pretty much stuff blew up. This was already there and whatnot. This actually blew up a couple thousand views. So overall we did really good. But one key thing about my account is that yes, it doesn't get tens of thousands of views all the time, but I get a lot of people also DMing me, so I could say, hey, if you want to go, you can get this guide and it'll actually really help you. Here's some proof. So I do supply them with proof and everything, and yes, it's a good product, so it's not like I'm scamming them in any single way. It's definitely worth its value. So they DM me and they want advice, so I'm just like, here, you can go to there. So that's what a really good thing about my account is that I get a couple DMs a day, which do convert more to sales because they just go and buy it. So how many sales did we get and how much money did we make? So remember, if I didn't get $100 $100, I would have to go buzz cut. But obviously I pretty much was confident that I could not get a buzz cut and make $100. And the reason is because I posted 3 times on my account, which I normally never do. I normally only post once a day on that account, because if I post multiple times I will lose followers, and overall I did lose like 20 followers during the 24-hour time span. Even though I gained a lot, I did lose some, so I lost like I think 70 followers, and then I gained like 50, so I lost 20 in total. So but I had a lot more people DMing me because I had a lot more content out there. So normally I only post once a day on that account. You normally want to be posting in the 2 to 4 time range. If you build an account up, this account is kind of different because people don't want to see as many posts on this account because it's a trading account. I'll refresh for you. We'll go home, we'll go products, we'll go affiliate, we'll refresh everything. 8 sales, $1.12 revenue because I'm getting 1%. We're using the Pedro trading guide, which is my product, which I'm promoting. And yeah, so we got 8 sales, and we'll actually go where all the money is. So what I have here is my affiliate dashboard with people actually promoting my product, because you know it works. So yeah, so I'm going to be going through here just to see my actual money that I made. So obviously everything, their emails are going to be blurred out and whatnot. So this is my email, which you can't see because I'm blurring it out. It's just my business email, and you can probably find it if you go through YouTube. But anyways, we made $119 with the 1%, so $120 basically, since I gave myself 1%. So I got $119 myself, which is, this is my main account. So yeah, so we'll go to refresh. We'll refresh all this. Refresh, and then we'll scroll down. Obviously everything is blurred because I don't want you to see all my affiliates emails. And then I'll go down and find my account right there, $119, so $120 basically. So yeah, we made $120, made 8 sales, and overall I think we did really good. Now let me show you how many clicks we actually got on our site. So as you can see here, I have 1,700 clicks. Now that's not how many actual clicks we were getting. The reason is because I do have other people actually affiliating this, and obviously you can't see the total or the sales because I do actually promote this product and other people do affiliate, so it's going to be private information. But out of the 1,700 clicks, I'm guessing we got around 300 to 250 clicks, maybe even more, like 300 to 400. Normally you get about 150 clicks a day or 100 clicks a day, and we posted 3 times and we got 8 sales, so I think we got about 350 to maybe 400 clicks. Yes, I will refresh this data for you. As you can see, we're refreshing. Yeah, so yeah, we got 1,700 clicks today. Again, I think about 400 of that was ourselves. So in this video, what we just basically did is promote this product, which you can promote any affiliate marketing product. Doesn't matter, it'll make you money. Just make sure it's a good product. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see me doing this for 48 hours, can we hit like 500 likes? I would appreciate that. This was actually really fun to make, and I would like to make a part 2 on 48 hours. So if you want to see that, make sure to subscribe, like, 500 likes, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I post 3 times a week, so I got a lot of videos for all. I'm posting once a week for a challenge, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.